Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you are very fine. Now I am going to discuss, I am show you examples of uncountable nouns. Noun has two categories, countable and uncountable noun. And when you are making sentences, you have to know a noun is countable or uncountable. That means identifying a noun's countability or uncountability is very much important when you are making a sentence. Due to the subject-verb agreement rules, uh, so we have to recognize uncountable noun, and here you see a list of uncountable noun. These are not complete, but this will help you to recognize or identify uncountable noun, and you have a glance of uncountable nouns that we use in our daily life. So start saying or discussing. There are some categories. I have divided some categories of uncountable noun. At first, fluids. Fluids is actually liquids. For example, water, milk, well, ink, soup. Gases, air. Gas means air, that is not solid or liquid, like air. These are gas. Hydrogen is a gas. Oxygen, nitrogen, air, smoke. The hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, air, smoke. These nouns are uncountable noun, but the group name is countable. Gas. Gas is a countable noun, but hydrogen itself is uncountable noun. So it's notice this. Natural phenomena. Natural phenomena actually something that has unusual ability or quality. Electricity, heat, darkness, sunshine, weather. Materials too small to counted. Some materials are too small that you can't count. If you try to count sand or dirt or salt, people will say you are crazy. So it's impossible to count them. These are uncountable noun: sand, dirt, salt, rice, flour. Academic disciplines. Academic disciplines, we mean academic subjects. Mathematics, there is S at the end of these words, but it seems to be plural, but it is uncountable noun. So be careful about this. Geography, physics, chemistry, biology. Abstractions. Abstractions means something that has no physical existence. We can touch it. You can touch love, but we can understand love by using our sense. So these are uncountable noun: love, sympathy, courage, beauty, freedom. Other intangibles. Intangible means that we can't touch something that is intangible. Work, advice, information, knowledge. Diseases: cholera, malaria, diabetes, influenza, dysentery. Languages, the name of languages: Bangla, English, French, German, Russian. Games: football, cricket, hockey, chess, tennis. Solid substance: earth, bread, cotton, nylon, furniture. Some people make mistakes with the word furniture. Some they say and thinks that we can count furniture, but no, we can count a single piece of furniture, but we can't count furniture. We can count bed or wardrobe, closets, that we can count, and that is suppose bed is a countable noun, but furniture is uncountable noun. So we have to say a piece of furniture. Verbal nouns, camping, cooking, packing, jumping, running. You see, these verbal nouns comes from verb by adding ing at the end of the verb. That is, verbal noun is the name of the action. These are the list, a long list of uncountable nouns. I have shown you these list because you have get an idea of uncountable noun. If you study or have a look at these uncountable nouns, I think it will be very much beneficial when you write sentences or when you speak or deliver some speech, because uncountable noun is so important. There is some grammar, that is subject verb agreement. Take yeah, at first I will erase the writings, then I will show you some examples how uncountable noun is important or agree with the verbs in a sentence. First take for example, take some example of uncountable noun. Water. Water is an uncountable noun. We can't count water. Only it is a liquid substance, so we can use a measure word. We can't cannot use a or an or any numeral, for example 1 or 2. So it is not possible, it is wrong. You don't make mistakes like this. You can turn in this into plural. There is no plural, so there is no s here. Only we can use a measure word before it. Bottle of water, a bottle of water, and you have to use singular verb after this. So the rule says you can't use an or any numeral before uncountable noun. You can use any major word before uncountable noun, and after the uncountable noun you have to use singular verb. You can't use plural verb are or were. So this is very important. If you don't maintain subject verb agreement, you will make mistakes while you are creating sentences in your spoken or written English. So I think the video will be very much beneficial to you, and that's it today. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share my video. I have a Facebook page, Score 9 English Language Training Center, and I have also YouTube channel S9ELTC. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.